Welcome to week number 3 of online instruction. Today we're going to do math capacity. In your book, you need to be open to 344 and 345. I like this blue book. And you need your spiral and a pencil. You should also have a worksheet that you can do after we go through this instruction. So we've been doing length. Well, now we're going to do capacity, which is volume. So we're going to be measuring liquids. So capacity is the amount a container can hold. Cup, pint, quart, and gallon. Oftentimes we want to say pint, but the word is pint. So a cup, like a cup of sugar, a cup of milk. A pint, like your milk at lunch. A quart, apple juice used to come in a quart, which was a cardboard quart, so it was 4 of your lunch milks, and then a gallon of milk. We recognize that. You can also get a gallon of orange juice, a gallon of tea, anything. So these are our common standard units of measure: cup, pint, quart, and gallon. So how are they related? Well, over here, 2 cups are in a pint. So for every pint, we have 2 cups. And there are 8 ounces per cup, so that would be 16 ounces. So if you get a 12-ounce Coca-Cola in a can, you're drinking a cup and a half of Coca-Cola, or whatever you like to drink, Sprite, Mountain Dew. In 1 quart, so quart reminds me of quarters. One of those has 4 cups. Well, there are 4 quarters in a dollar. Okay, 2 pints are in 1 quart. So far we're moving forward. So 2 to 1, 4 to 1, 2 to 1. Okay, so 2 pints in 1 quart, 16 cups in 1 gallon. So if you were to take a gallon of milk and pour it out into the cup, a glass measuring cup, you would be able to do it 16 even times. There are 8 pints in 1 gallon of milk and 4 quarts, quarters, in a gallon, like a dollar. I know that's a lot of information, and I don't expect you to memorize that. We're going to have a project tomorrow for you to put it together visually. So do not be afraid. Do not worry. You will get that down. I don't expect you to memorize it like you do your math facts. Just definitely know these yellow words: cup, pint, quart, and gallon, and you should be good. All right, choose the better estimate. So this is where you need your spiral. That mine got wet. Whoopsie. Okay, math. We haven't worked in our spiral in a while. 344, 345, and you're going to do 1 through 9 with me. And then your worksheet's on your own, and we'll check it at the beginning of your video tomorrow. All right. Choose the better estimate. Is the image that you see here more like 1 cup or 1 gallon? Yeah, 1 gallon. Number 2, I wrote in cursive. It's just habit. You don't have to for math. Number 2, is the punch bowl full of 3 cups of punch, so this size, or 3 quarts of punch, this size? So are we talking 1, 2, 3 cups, or 1, 2, 3 quarts in that pink punch bowl? Yeah, I'm going with 3 quarts. That's a lot of punch. Number 3, is this glass of water more like 2 cups or 2 quarts? So here's an image of 2 cups, and here would be 1, 2 quarts right there. So just 1 glass of water is 2 cups. Now, if you were talking ounces, there's 8 ounces in a cup, and this would be like a 16-ounce glass, which is actually very common as far as measurement goes for liquid. I think soda comes in a a can that's 12 ounces, and that looks like the word I'm saying is this, ounces. And these can be in liquid or solid measurement. So you would have like 12 ounces, which is a can, 16, which is a bottle, and then a 2 liter, which is a totally different unit. That's metric. So this, I just wanted you to see this word as well. Ounces would be smaller than cups. Okay. Is the bathtub likely 30 pints or 30 gallons? So the pints are these little cups here. Is it 30 of those, or is it 30 of the milk gallons? Yeah, it actually is 30 gallons, so that's a pretty good size amount of water. So if you fill up the bathtub, you're filling up 30 gallons worth of water. Make sure you stay in there long enough to use it all. Okay, so now we're going to compare which one is larger, 1 cup or 3 pints. Well, there's 2 cups and 1 pint. 1 cup, well, shoot. 3 pints is way bigger, so I'm going to eat the bigger dinner. Eat the 3 pints. 1 gallon versus 3 quarts. So here's 1 gallon, and it says 1, 2, 3, 4 of them make up 1 gallon. So 3 quarts is less. Let's eat the 1 gallon for dinner. Oh, or we could drink the 1 gallon. I know you guys miss me and my awful jokes. 4 pints, I almost said points, 4 points. 4 pints versus 1 quart. Well, here's 2 pints equals 1 quart. This is talking about 4. So 4 pints would be 2 quarts. So I'm going to drink the 4 pints with my alligator mouth. 8. Alan had 6 boxes of cookies. Each box had 8 cookies. He sold 2 boxes. So he had 6. And then he sold 2, which is a total of 4 boxes. And each box has 8 cookies. So 4 times 8 equals Snooki's cookies. Yeah, 32. Very good. And number 9. Write these units of capacity in order from least to greatest. All right, well, I don't even have to look right there. I'm going to go back to page 344. And there they are from smallest to largest. So I'm going to write them in that same order. Cup becomes pint, becomes quart, and becomes gallon. Now this is the standard U.S. system of measuring liquid. There is also another system called the metric system, which the United States doesn't use that often, but we randomly use it. Like when people buy oil or soda, it can be in a liter. So the U.S. kind of mixes up both systems. So this is customary units. And next week, we're going to work on metric units. But right now, just stick with cup, pint, quart, and gallon. And enjoy your color, paste, and create project tomorrow. Love you guys. Don't forget to do workbook page, whatever it is, 91. You've got it on your planner. I trust you. Love you. Bye.